Hello guys, welcome to the CO253 Me project. It is about contact management system. The project is to make a contact management system using C program. In this system, the system should record essential data of contacts such as name, phone number, and also address and the email. There should be options to add contacts, list all contacts, also search the contacts based on their names and also the phone number. And also there should be an option to delete contacts. It's just a one-time program which executes the code at the first time and then just delete all the data. So let's go to the program and see how it's working. A structure contact is defined to represent a contact. It contains 4 fields: phone, an integer to store the phone number, name, an array of characters to store the contact's name, address, an array of characters to store the contact's address, an email, an array of characters to store the contact's email. In the next set, a constant max contacts is defined to represent the maximum number of contacts that can be stored. An array contacts of contact T structures is declared to store the contacts. The variable num contacts keeps track of the current number of contacts in the list. The function clear input buffer is defined to clear the input buffer. It reads and discards characters from the input until a new line or the end of while is encountered. In the next set, the function display menu is defined to display the main menu options for the contact management system. It prints the menu options on the console. The menu options are contact management system, 0, quiet, 1, add a new contact, 2, list all contacts, 3, search for contact, 4, delete a contact. And the next one is enter option 0 to 4. To select one of these options, you have to enter a number 0 to 4. The next set of functions, the function addContact allows the user to add a new contact to the contact list. It first checks if the maximum limit of contacts has been reached. If so, it displays a message, cannot add more contacts, contact list is full, and returns. Otherwise, it prompts the user to enter the contact's name, phone number, and also address and the email. It reads the input using fgets, the function, and removes the trailing new line character from each input using strex pn. The new contact is then added to the contacts array and the num contacts variable is incremented. Finally, a success message is displayed as contact added successfully. In the next set, the function list contacts displays all the contacts in the contact list. If there are no contacts, num contacts is 0. It prints a message no contacts found and then returns. Otherwise, it iterates over each contact in the contacts array. It prints contact's name, contact's phone number, contact's address, and also the contact's email. In the next set, a function called searchContact is named to search the contact. The function searchContact allows the user to search for a contact by name and phone number. So here in searchContacts, options are search by contact name and also search by phone number. So I have added two options to search by name and search by contact number. First, it was just to search by name and phone number both. They were asking for both, and there was a bug, and I had to fix it, which was asking for both. And now it's only asking a name or else a phone number. So as the first option, it's a name, and as the second option, there's the phone number. So by selecting one of these options, you can give a name or else a phone number, and just then you can get the contact number you want. In the next function, There's a function called delete contact as defined. The function delete contact allows the user to delete a contact from the contact list. If there are no contacts, it displays a message and returns. It displays no contacts found and returns. Otherwise, it prompts the user to enter the phone number of the contact to delete. The input is read using scanf. It then searches for the contact with the matching phone number in the contacts array. If found, it removes the contact by shifting all subsequent contacts one position back in the array. The num_contacts variable is decremented and a success message is displayed. If no contact with the given phone number is found, it displays contact not found again. Success message and contact not found. So as we come to the last set of codes, the main function. The main function serves as the entry point of the program. It displays the menu using display menu function and prompts the user to enter an option. It repeatedly validates the input using while and displays an error message if an invalid option is entered. Invalid option, please try again. Once a valid option is selected, it executes the corresponding function add contact, list contact, which I was talking about earlier. The functions add contact, list contact, search contact, delete contact. Or just exit the program if the option is 0. The loop continues until the user chooses to quit. So this code simply provides a simple contact management system with options to add, list, search and delete contacts. Okay, I have used code blocks as the coding environment, and this is the full code you can see. And let's go to compile the code and run the code. I'll just compile the code and I'll just run it. As you see, the command prompt and the user interface comes to the screen. Contact management system, 0 goes quit and 1 goes add a new contact, and 2 goes with list all contacts, and also 3 goes with search for a contact, and also 4 goes with delete a contact. And I'll just add some contacts and we'll see how the other features are working. And so let's go. I'll choose one and I'll add some contacts. Okay, I have now added 4 contacts, and let's go to see the other options, how they are working. As the second option, list all contacts, it will show all the contacts I have added. And let's go to see the second one. Okay, now I have entered the second one, and you can see it has listed all the contacts I have entered earlier. The first one, Maigan and Amma, Tata, Akka, the 4 contacts are here, and also the contact number, address and also the email. For each contact they are displayed. And so let's see how the searching works for all the contacts after fixing the bug and all. Let's go to search the contact by adding number 3, search for a contact. And as I said earlier, it gives 2 options, search by name or search by the phone number. I'll choose search by name by entering 1 and enter the name. I will just search for Amma, and you can see the contact details of Amma as given. Contact as found, name, phone number, address and the email. So let's go for another round to see how the search works for the contact number. Let's go to the option 3 and I'll choose to search by phone number by giving 2 and enter the phone number. I'll just give my number 980 and 372. As you see, it says contact found, name, phone number, address and also the email. So as the last option, we have given delete a contact. I'll choose that option also, giving 4. It says enter the phone number of the contact to delete. I'll just enter my number 079 980 372. Okay, it says contact deleted successfully, and let's see by viewing all the contacts list if there's my contact or not, whether there's my contact or not. Okay, let's go to the full contact list by list all contacts. Okay, as you see, there are 3 contacts without my contact. Amma, Tata and Akka they are, but missing my contact. So the option works also well. So this is the full contact management system. I'll just go for execution of the code by giving an invalid input. Just like they're asking for 4 options, 0 to 4, I'll just give 56 or something, and it says invalid option, please try again. That's the message you will get if you enter wrong option. So this is all about the contact management system, and thank you.